Hey guys, let's see how to create an EC2 instance today. Okay, just let's log into the AWS console. Click and sign into the console. So I have already logged in. It will ask for username, password in the root account. Just you can create that one. If you want to create an instance, just click on EC2, or else you can come here on the services, compute, and you will be seeing EC2. Just click on this one. So once this is done, just click on launch instance. Okay. So now let's give an example. Okay, I will just give it as Jenkins, for example, and then here you can choose whichever operating system you want. Okay, we have support with Amazon Linux, Ubuntu, Mac OS, Windows, Red Hat. I'll just choose Ubuntu, and then in case if you want to use free tier, we can use this free tier. I am going to use okay, this is image 24.04. I will choose 2204. Okay, confirm changes. This is also free tier eligible. And then on the instance type, we have T2 micro. It is eligible for free tier. I will go with T2 large. Okay. Um, so once this is done, you can create a key pair. Okay. You can create key pair. You can create pair, and then choose PEM, and then we can give a name. Okay. I will keep it as DevOps, and then create key pair. So the key pair is downloaded. So once this is done, okay, by default, we will have the security group. So it will create a launch Windows 7. But in case if you want to select the existing one, you can come here and select whichever you want. So I will create a new security group. It will be launch wizard 7. So by default, it is allowing SSH. It is of port 22 from anywhere. Okay. So and then we can configure the storage whichever you want. You can select SSD. So once this is done, if you have advanced details, so here we will have different options like how the shutdown behavior should be, like it should terminate or stop, or else termination protection in case if we are deleting some VMs unknowingly, we can enable so that if someone tries to delete that one, it will not be deleting. Okay, I'm not selecting anything. Just click on launch instance. So again, you can come back. So when you click on these instances, if you see here, it is already up and running. So if you have to access this one, just click here, and then we have the public IP address assigned. Just click on the connect. Okay. So if you click on the connect, so we have this option. This is the EC2 instant connect. In case if you have to connect it on your machine directly, it will connect. So here you will be able to access. So it will be in a web console. You can access this one. In case if you don't want to access it and in this way, and if you want to access it on a terminal, just click on connect, and then click on session manager. Okay, this is for connecting via SSH keys on Bastion host. So normally in case if you're using like any of the putty or mobile extern whichever SSH client, you can click here. So we have this command. Okay, this is an SSH command. Here we have the PEM file which we have created, and then just copy this one. Once you copy this one, you have to go to the location where it is there. So if in my case it is in the download section, so I will just right click here and I will open git bash here. Okay, so from here I can just paste it, so I will be able to access. Currently I don't have access for this one, that's why I am not doing. But if you see here, it is up and running. If you see here, we'll be able to do anything. Yeah, so EC2 instance is up and ready. Thank you.